Hello everyone, Miss Sarah's here. Oh my god, the lighting in Miss Sarah's house is going crazy. Okay, so I know that sometimes it's hard to make the virtual meetings, but it's really important that if you can get on to them, please get on. We would love to see your child and you smiling faces. We really want to interact with them in real time. So obviously if you can't make it, we totally understand. We understand that there's a lot going on right now. So at the end of each week, I'm going to film a short video about what we covered during those small group sessions. So Monday is math day. So in math, we talked about numbers and their quantities with counting. So we had sent out a list of materials that you could use. If you didn't have them, that's okay. Miss Sarah is going to show what we kind of did on the whiteboard. So I'm going to start off with the number 10. So I wrote the number 10 on the board so the students could see. And together we counted out 10 so that we could use number names per object. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ahora en español. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your child can do this if they have access to a whiteboard, or what they can do is you can tell them the number, write the number down, or use the flashcards we made a couple weeks ago, and have them count out 10 objects. That could be crayons, that could be spoons, it could be anything in your house that you have that quantity of, or a mix of things, dried pasta, beans, dried beans, anything like that. The next number we are going to talk about, my friends, is the number 15. The number 15 is a 1 and a 5 together. That makes the number 15. Or in español, we say 15. So let's now count out 15 circles. Count with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. When I got to the number 15 that I was requested to count out, I stopped. I don't need any more. Once I say the number out loud, I can stop counting. 15. Now let's do it in Spanish. Ahora en español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No más. Very good. Okay. The next number I'm going to count to is 17. A 1 and a 7 together make 17. 17. Okay? So when we get here, we're going to stop counting. Primero en inglés. Let's do it in English first. 1, 2, 3. A painting just fell off my wall. Ah! Okay, let's keep going, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I don't have to add any more. Once I say the number that I was asked for, I don't count any higher. Now let's do it in español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, we're going to do one more. Can anybody tell me what number this is? A 2 first and then a 0. What number is this? 20. Very good. 20. Very good, my friends. 2 and a 0 together is 20. Are you guys ready to count it with me? Okay, Miss Sarah's going to go a little faster, so you got to keep up with me. Are you ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. No more. I only asked for 20. I gave 20. Okay. Now let's do it in Spanish. Ahora en español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No más. No más. So that is what we did this week for math. We use numbers and we connect them to their quantities by counting. If you have any questions, please comment on the video below and I'd be happy to answer them or post another video about what we did. Bye, guys.